Good morning, everyone, for a beautiful sunny day. This morning, I have to get the kids ready for school. Hey, come along on my adventure. I'm gonna go get the kids ready for school. So wake up, my sweethearts. Mommy's coming in. Wake up. Come on, sweethearts. Time to wake up, baby. Buddy. Why won't you wake up, buddy? Fine. Get up. I don't want to get up, Mama. It's too cold, Mama. Tuddles, Mama. Tuddles. I want to go to school. We're sick. Okay, Smookums. Come give Mommy cuddles. Yay! I love you. Now get ready for school. All right, H Bubbles, time to get up, buddy. Come on, up you get. I'll see you in the lounge room, okay? Morning, bud. What do you want, Mum? I'm getting ready for school. Oh, I know you're getting ready for school. I just wanted to come in and say I love you. I love you too, Mum. I know you're here to see if I'm awake, but I'm always awake. I know that, but I want to give you a kiss. No, you're not going to kiss me. No, Mum. You're not going to... I want to give you a kiss. Let me give you a kiss. No, you're not going to kiss me. I got you. I love you, buddy. Hi, Mama. I'm ready for school. Morning, Colty. No, you're not ready for school, buddy. This is what I'm wearing today. That's what the teacher told me to put on. Swimmers. It's swimmer day. It's not swimmer day today, please. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. No, your teacher never said that you have to wear it. Please, Mama. Please. No, get out of it now, please. To school today. I know you want to, but it's not the school uniform. Don't get upset now, please. I've got to get everyone else ready. But I love you, but you can't wear that to school. I'll go get dressed then. Thank you. Off you go. Mom, can you brush my hair, please?
Get some good, some food.
Fine, if I have to.
Think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Fine, now go finish getting ready for school. I'm dressed, Mama. I dressed. I got my shorts on and my t-shirt. I'm ready for school now, Mum. Oh, hi, Colty. No, you're not dressed. You've got to get a jacket on. I don't want to put on a jumper. I'm boiling, Mama. I'm boiling. You might be, but it's warm in here and I'm not heating up the rest of the world, Colt. So go put a jacket on, please, and tracksuit pants. I don't want to put on tracksuit pants. You have to wear them because it's cold outside and I want you to be warm. I'm boiling. I said I'm not heating up the rest of the world, so go put them on. Fine. Thank you.
Morning, Delinda.
Oh, hi, Mum.
Are you almost ready? What are you
Yeah,
doing?
I'm just finishing up some stuff on my laptop. I'm almost dressed now.
Well, can you hurry up, please?
And then I'm going to go out and have some
Hurry
breakfast.
up, hurry up.
Yeah, I'll hurry up. I'll hurry up.
Yeah, we've got to get everyone in the car. You're alright to help your brothers? And Grady?
Do I really have to help them?
Yes, you really do have to help him.
Grady is so annoying.
He is still your brother and you love him, so please help me out.
Alright, I'm almost done.
Thank you, darling. I'll see you out in the car.
Alright, I'm just finishing off the sandwiches. Can you hurry up, kids? Gotta get in the car. Stop mucking around. Alright, I've done those sandwiches. Can you please go and pack them and put them in the bag? Are you done getting ready now? Everyone get in the car. Don't do that, Colt. Don't do that. Sit down. Just eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. You're not allowed to do that. No, 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 no. You're not allowed to do that. Blah, 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 blah. No, no.
Okay, are you ready? Is everyone ready?
I haven't finished my breakfast.
Well, if you're not finished, can you hurry up?
I can do what I want, Grady. No, I can do what I want, Grady. No.
Come on, everyone, hurry up. We're gonna go in the car. Gonna get everyone in the car. Can everyone hurry up, please? We're running late now, guys. What about you, Grady? Are you ready to get in the car?
Fine, I'm done.
Okay, come on.
All right, come on, kids, let's go. Get in the. Where are your shoes? Where are your shoes? I tell you all the time, don't I? When you get home, put them in the bucket. But you don't, do you? And now we're running late and we don't know where they are. Maybe go check out the back. There they are, Mum. But there you go. Maybe next time don't leave it at the back. Come on. Go out and go get them. Hurry up. Right, has everyone got their bags, their lunches?
Yeah.
Because I'm not coming back. All right, you've got your shoes now? Got them. Good, everyone in the car now, go. Okay, Grady, are you going to join me in the car now or are you going to wait until I come out the front?
I'll meet you out at the front, Mum.
All right, I'll see you out there.
Mum, I'm supposed to bring a volcano into school this morning.